Hello, how's it going? Okay, so I've been doing a lot with my life lately, keeping myself busy, doing projects outside of school and various things with life. So to add on more to that, I figured that I'd probably make a video every week on Equals Life, maybe. I'm not sure 100% what I'm going to be doing, but I got a few ideas. So I've been very inspired and now I guess motivated by ProjectOneLife. Bray. He's made some bucket list videos, and I've been wanting to do that for quite a long time, but never got around to it. So I have this Rubik's Cube, and on my bucket list it says solve the Rubik's Cube, and I was able to cross that off my list because I could solve it, but I forgot how to solve it, so I'm just going to solve it right now, I guess. Here we go. Cool. And this is about where I get to when they get stuck. It's like halfway, it's like the top there, and this, and I just can't get it. I will get it. If I don't solve this Rubik's Cube in this video, what does that say about the rest of my videos? That I won't follow through with them or something. I will solve this though.
The next step in solving the Rubik's Cube is to
we do the same thing on the left. We lift it up, we turn it twice, we bring it down, we turn the top again, we lift it up, we take it. What did I do? Oh gosh.
Okay, now that I know what to do, I'm going to try to do it without the tutorial and just my brain. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if I can solve the Rubik's Cube. I'm a little nervous, but okay.